Guess who's back?
Me!
Hey everybody, I'm Lee and this is Emily.
Hi.
Today we are in St. Petersburg, Florida, downtown. We left without a plan for the day. Em, on the way up here, found out there's a new coffee shop. What's it called?
Concrete Coffee.
Concrete Coffee. We're gonna check that out, but before we go in there, there's a little antique store over here. It doesn't look like it's open to the public, but it's weird. I'll show you. We're gonna try to go in there and see what it's about. All right, I had to put my glasses on because it is so bright outside I can't see anything, but check this out. Sweet old car out front. Giant gorilla. All right, and from what I can tell, that is not an antique store. Oddly enough, there was just a dude sitting in a chair inside. I think it might be someone's house. Bunch of cool stuff out front. I wanted to go in there. I wanted it to be an antique store, but what do you think that was?
I have no clue.
What was going on in there? Did you look more than I did?
Nope.
Yeah, there was a guy sitting in a chair and it looked like it was probably his private home, even though that building looked very commercial. And of course, I'm out front filming everything.
Maybe
that was super awkward.
Workshop.
Yeah, artistic workshop maybe?
Like maybe he builds, I don't know, signs, statues. I have no clue.
I don't know if I got that on camera. I purposely tried being like, oh no, that might be someone's house. So I turned the camera away. But if I did get it, I'm going to put a little screenshot of it. This is concrete. It is behind the factory, St. Pete. If you've ever been there, they used to have something called the Fairgrounds, and I think it's called Florida Rama now. I'm confused on the name. And I don't know how interested everyone is, but this is their bathroom. It's clean and it's concrete. It's got a concrete sink. Right, and what did you get?
Ice baby. It's good.
How good? Scale of 1 to 10.
I give it an 8.5. It's a salted caramel something.
Salted caramel latte thing with some cold foam looking on it. Fancy and good, I'm sure. Of course, I just got, oh, it says love you and it's got a little heart. But regular old black drip coffee, it's a good black drip coffee. Also, after being out in Vegas and paying $6.50 for drip coffees this size, this being $3.75, not so bad. It's good. All right, so Concrete Coffee, would you recommend it?
I would, yes.
10 out of 10, I'd recommend it. It's in a cool location. It's kind of a little bit out of downtown. It's not far off the Pinellas Trail, so you could bike or walk out here. Their coffee was good. Their prices were decent. And it was just a cool place. Like it's a concrete factory or...
I think it's just a concrete building.
Concrete place, but they do sell like concrete sinks and a couple of other things. So it's unique. I would check it out if you're in the St. Pete area. We are parking over at Mirror Lake. We're gonna go walk around on Central Ave. I think we're gonna stop into Driftwood and have a little kava. And there's a bunch of new stores that have opened up in St. Pete lately. So we might check a couple of those out. We'll see how much filming I can do in those stores. But this is a good free parking area. Although they do keep putting up new signs, so we'll make sure it is still free parking. Update on our little free parking area. They've been putting these signs up So if you're a St. Pete local, it's 2-hour parking except by zone, blah, blah, blah permit, or it's only Monday through Friday. Today is our Sunday fun day, so it doesn't count for us. So Em was just telling me that I videotaped these murals last time. St. Pete has a mural tour that goes around here in a little trolley. Now, as we were pulling into our parking spot, we passed it basically, but that's another thing to do in St. Pete. If you're into graffiti murals, you can take a little trolley around and look at them and take pictures of them. But I'm giving you a little sneak preview of it. We got our little kavas from Driftwood. They're $2.50 a shell, so these are really cheap right now on a Sunday. But while I was using the restroom, I had this weird thought. I go in a lot of restrooms and it always says like, put the seat down, exclamation point, which in their restroom it didn't say that, but while I was in there, I kicked the seat up and I was thinking about it. Here's my question. This is a good one for you, Em. Do women just walk into a public restroom and just plop down right on the toilet without looking to make sure there's not some doo-doo on it or something like that? You don't wipe the toilet seat down first?
I mean, I definitely do. I would, check before you just plop down.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I don't know why in a public restroom I get putting the toilet seat down for you ladies, but why there has to be a sign, put the toilet seat down, exclamation, because there might be some doo-doo on that seat.
I think it's because they don't want us, when we're coming in, to touch it to, put it down. It's just more courtesy.
I don't even touch it when I put it up. I'll either use my foot or I'll put some toilet paper on my hand and lift it up.
I mean, I do the same thing. But yeah.
So can we agree it's an unnecessary sign in a public restroom?
Well, also there's signs in public restrooms that say, employees wash your hands.
Yeah, I guess so. It's just,
I think
the world has so many signs. Signs everywhere, the signs. Breaking up the scenery. Anyway, unnecessary sign in my opinion. Ladies, just look and make sure there's not something gross on that seat before you plop down on there.
And wash your hands.
And yes, wash your hands. We just went in Cultosaurus. It has very nice, cool collectibles if you're looking for a nerd gift for one of your friends. I would recommend that place. It's newer. I don't know when it opened up, but it's always good seeing an old school kind of toy store, collectible store in a sea of restaurants and bars. So we have been cruising around all day, walking around. It is time for some early dinner. We're going to Noble Crust that's out 4th Street North. Put my glasses back on because it is so bright out here. I know everyone wants to see my eyes, but too bright. Anyway, we're gonna get some pizza.
Yum.
Pizza. And then I think we're heading home to watch some movies and relax after that. It's about 5 p.m. now, so nice relaxing evening.
Sounds good.
And just like that, we had our Noble Crust. It was absolutely delicious. What did we have?
Garlic knots, truffle fries. I had a strawberry arugula salad.
And I had eggplant parm with a Caesar salad. I am so stuffed though. Ate way too much. How are you feeling?
Same.
M's salad had goat cheese on it and she was getting too full and she didn't eat the goat cheese. So I ended up eating this deep fried goat cheese brick after I had eaten all my food, and I overdid it. So overall vibe of the day.
It was a nice day.
Final word from M. It was a nice day. Today for me was great. The weather was really good. It got a little bit hot. We ate a lot of good food. We had a great St. Pete adventure day. Until my next adventure, or our next adventure, have a good one.
Wait, hold on. That's my face. I can't see it. Wait, let me see this.
It should be right along. It's probably too small to see on there.
Yeah.